Hi, today I'm going to talk about on how to do a supplier creation in Riyalo accounting software. First of all, enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, what you have to do is go to suppliers, and here you will get the list of suppliers over here on the supplier name, this account type and the balance. Click new, and here you can enter your supplier name. Okay, and you can enter the account type. It will be as supplier accounts, keep it as such, and if they have a VAT number, you can enter the VAT number, and if they have any other details, enter all the details. And if you want to add your salesman details, you can add it here. And if the company has an opening balance that you have to pay, click here. You can click here in the opening balance. You can enter a new reference number here, and you can enter the amount here on the CR side, and when you click enter, the opening balance will be added. Thank you.